So what's going on, everyone? As y'all can see, I've been doing a little bit of collecting for the new build. You know, just buying little bitty things in between. Got a couple of fuse holders here, nothing fancy. 2-aught welding cable, a little bit of ground cable I had laying from my build in the car, some leftovers here, and then I ordered, I forget what this is. This 25 feet, I believe. Yeah, this is 25 feet of 2-aught, and then right here is 50 feet of 2-aught. This brand right here is different. This one right here has a few more strands than that one down there. I believe that this was 30 gauge copper, if I'm not mistaken. This is like, I want to say, what, 32 or something? I don't know. Not 100%. I'm not a wire gauge expert right now, and I don't have the spec sheet in front of me, so I'll post it in the description if you guys are really off into that. But one of the things I wanted to bring to y'all attention was this right here. And basically what it is just a marine, well, not even a marine style, it's just a cutoff switch. Basically it comes with 2 keys. You would run this in between your positive line up to 300 amps, and you can disconnect your batteries in the rear from the front, you know, when you're servicing them. Or if you have lithium, this really is a great idea because you can separate your lithium from your AGM cells when you're not driving, or if you plan on just letting the car sit for longer than a couple of days. It's really good idea for lithium guys that's still running AGM.
Down to provide, we run the streets but on G5s, I'm talking fly. Boots and blue jeans, Cartier, you a rings. You with a big boy, so we do the big things. Had the fully pump, Chanel hoodie on, looking like Trayvon Martin, George Zimmer in the morning. She on my morning poster, so I can pop a motion. I'm ballin' like LeBron, we shopping in Milan. The 458 Ferrari, I parked it on the lawn. I let her lick my tongue, she blew up like a bomb.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you